Samsung Galaxy S20 5G factory unlocked Android cell phone 128GB US version smartphone. Pro-grade camera with 3x optical zoom. 30x space zoom with the power of 30x space zoom. Videos with night mode and capture high quality. Single KKI, one tap of the screen captures multiple images and videos all at once. Power of 5G, with Samsung Galaxy 5G.
Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today, let's meet the Galaxy S20 5G. As a fan edition, Samsung has made this phone for all the fans, so many years that are buying Samsungs, and of course for the new ones that are willing to buy a new Samsung smartphone. S20, at the box we can see we've got some design, nice, and it has the Snapdragon 865, and as you can know, at the internet online everyone says why Samsung's not bringing these phones at the European market. We need the Snapdragon at Samsung phone. Well, and this happened. I think Snapdragon, it makes very unique the smartphones and faster from anywhere. Well, that's my opinion, and the benchmark results, of course. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside, what is in the box, and of course I'm going to use it, I'm going to test it every day to see what is the positive and negative of this phone. And the big moment that we are breaking the seal. And there's the phone. Oh, it's gorgeous. White cloud. Feels very nice in my hand. First impression. Aluminium body. We can see it's missing the 3.5 headphone jack. Well, I don't care. To be honest, I have pads all the time and I'm using the pads. Now, at the box, we've got the charger, and in 9 volt we've got 1.67 amps, 15 watt, 5 volt it is 2 amps, 10 watt. That's the fast charger. Let's see what we get in the box. Empty. And of course the cable for charging our smartphone. And this is about 1 meter of the cable. We've got USB Type A to Type C. And let's see, we've got some manuals, quick start guide, and the SIM extraction tool, of course. Nice. Now up to the phone, we've got a speaker, Type-C connection, microphone, the SIM slot, single SIM or a hybrid dual SIM, and the microphone, second microphone. And then we've got here and the speaker. Volume up, volume down, on-off button, and from the back, of course, this is a plastic, but it's okay. We've got many cases to install, and that's for we're not gonna find out if that is plastic or not. We've got a triple camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and 8 megapixel telephoto camera. The LED flash, 3 optical zoom and 30 super resolution zoom at the back camera. Of course, you're not going to miss the 4K, 30 FPS and 60 FPS video that it can shoot. To the front, we've got 32 megapixel camera for a superior selfies, and same of course, and with the selfie camera 4K. Super AMOLED 120Hz HDR10+, 6.5 inches, 84.8 screen to body ratio. Resolution is 1080 to 2400 pixels and 407 ppi density. We've got a superior chipset Snapdragon 865 for a superior gaming efficient performance. We've got a new class of Wi-Fi 6 performance with a new fast connection 6900 system. And we've got a 5G with the Snapdragon X55 5G modem RF system, and this speeds up to 7.5 gigabits per second. ultra intuitive AI, and with the Snapdragon you will get the most that you're expecting from a smartphone. GPU will get an Adreno 650 for a superior and extreme gaming. This is the 128GB 6GB RAM, and the stereo speaker tuned by AKG. You will feel the sound from gaming and music. Fingerprint under the display optical. We're gonna find out if it's fast or not. Inside we're gonna find out 4,500 milliamps of the battery, and the fast charging is 25 watt, with the wireless charging is 15 watt. Well, let's turn it on. It already has a screen protection. Okay, let's change our language. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. Let's put a pin. Let's scan our finger. Next, Samsung account. All done. Finish. And welcome to your new Samsung Galaxy S20b. Lock and lock with the fingerprint is very quick. And of course we've got in the power sharing. Put the center of your phone back to back with another device. And that's how we can charge our smart devices from our smartphone. You need to have 30% of battery and more. Very convenient. Taking the SIM card and installing the microSD is very easy. Just press here. Not to the microphone. And there it is. You can see. Here you can install the second SIM, and here you can install the first SIM, and if you want you can install a micro SD. It is a hybrid. And of course it is an IP68 water and dust resistant, up to 1.3 meters for 30 minutes under the water. And with the powerful Snapdragon 865 you have nothing to lose. You can play all the games at the time you need. You have nothing to afraid. Woo. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, baby. Hey, get away! I have a Snapdragon. I can't afraid anything. I'm not going to lose with this powerful processor. And watching videos on YouTube are the best choice to do that. Zoom it to feel all the screen, original, and the sound is very great. By the way, if you want to check this video, you can see it right in the corner at the end of this video. And of course, here's some music. With the AKG stereo speaker, you will get the most of this smartphone. Great quality, clear sound. And of course, scrolling with the 120 Hz of the display, it is so smooth, you can feel it, very nice. And for some people, the most important hardware to our smartphone is the camera. You take pictures, videos, upload it, sharing all that online, and you need the best of this hardware to have to your smartphone. Well, now let's take a look some of the features that it has.
Please subscribe now our channel for every new